Hi, welcome to PHP with FarazDev. Today we will start learning PHP Basics, and this particular tutorial is related to PHP Introduction. We will learn what is PHP, what we can do with PHP, what are the advantages of PHP, and finally the names of a few PHP frameworks and content management system. So what is PHP? It is an acronym for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. It is an open source language and its source code is available on GitHub, and it has 34.2k stars, which is means that it is a very popular language. It is a scripting language, and it means that it does not need a compiler. Instead, it is executed on the runtime. It is a server-side language, which means it runs on the server instead of being running on the browser. What we can do with PHP? We can perform several operations on the files on the server, such as create, update, delete, and open the files. For example, I have opened this GitHub profile page of myself. When we click on this profile pictures, edit and upload a photo, we can choose any photo, and once we click open, this file will be sent to the server on which github.com is being run. Okay, so we send the file from the browser to the website's server. That server performs it fetches the file and performs some different operations, such as optimizing the file, and then it saves that file into the server. So saving a file into the server is an operation which can be performed using PHP. Similarly, when I refresh the page, I get this profile picture already. So how am I getting this profile picture? Actually, in the backend, the server, the github.com server, sees that it is my username, and from that username it fetches my profile photo. So to fetch a profile photo from the server is an operation that can be performed using PHP or any other server-side language. So we can create, update, delete and open files on the server. We can perform operations on the database also, such as CRUD operations: create, read, update and delete. We can encrypt the data also, such as passwords. We can generate the dynamic content, and we can also restrict the content or a particular page to the user if they are logged in. For example, this is my simple website which is under development for now. I am logged in already, so I can access farazahmed.net/wp-admin because I am logged in already. So you can see the content that is being shown to me when I am logged in. If I log out and then try to access the same page, wp-admin, you see that the browser has redirected me to another page. So the content of the page varies depending upon whether a user is logged in or logged out. So we can perform similar operation using PHP or any other server-side language. We can also send or receive cookies. Cookies are little pieces of data that are sent from the browser with each request to the server. Similarly, server can send cookies back to the browser as well. We can also output plain text, HTML pages, images, videos and PDF files with the PHP as well. What are the advantages of PHP? First of all, it is very simple language. If you are new to programming or coding, you can get started using PHP. It is a very fast language. It is very flexible and a very stable language. It has been under development since 2004 and has been transitioned through several different versions. It is compatible with nearly all modern servers such as Apache. It has 79.2% of market share as of 2021. If you see from this picture, in 2011, the PHP market share was 74.8%, but in 2021, that market share is 79.2%, which is very huge. It means that out of every 100 websites in the world, 79.2% websites are developed using PHP. So if you are new to programming and you want to get started with the freelancing jobs very quickly, then PHP is a very good language to learn because of this market share. You will find several different clients wanting development services out there. So it is a very good starting language for the freelancers as well. Now let's see which frameworks and content management systems are based using PHP. First of all, WordPress, which has a 40% of market share. Then Joomla, Drupal, Magento, Laravel, Symfony, to name a few, and there are many other frameworks as well, such as CodeIgniter. I hope you liked this video and I was really able to convey the importance of PHP and its introduction. In the next videos, we will start learning PHP from scratch, and I would like you to press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel to see the notification for the upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.